This is my favorite daytime fragrance. It got like these hints of jasmine, just a beautiful, pillowy, floral, musky scent. Still spending hours editing a talking video like this? Let me show you how to do it in 0 seconds. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create the same clean style with smooth edits and dynamic captions using Vmake, so you can turn raw clips into ready-to-post video in no time. First, import your footage. Vmake's AI instantly makes a smart first cut, removing filler words, repeats, and dead air. Next, use the AI template. Tap Templates and browse the gallery of ready-made styles. Choose the one you want, and Vmake will analyze your footage, then automatically add the template's intro, transitions, captions, and background music. Exactly right on cue, giving your footage a studio-quality finish in seconds. Finally, use the AI thumbnail to create the perfect cover. Vmake automatically analyzes the style of your video and generates several thumbnails in different styles for you to choose from. You can also browse the preset thumbnail library and instantly apply professionally designed cover with just one tap, taking your videos from 0 to hero. Finish these 3 steps and you've got a polished video that's ready to go viral. Vmake's templates have a theme for every type of content. For online sellers or makeup artists, try the hypergreen templates to highlight keywords and showcase your product in the most effective way. Running a workout channel? Go for the blazing red template. It's perfect for expressing energy, passion, and uplifting vibes. Promoting real estate or properties? Choose the clean look template. It's modern, minimalist, and super professional. Whatever business you're in, e-commerce, real estate, Vmake helps you enhance your videos with engaging appeal, reach a wider audience, and increase your earnings. Just pick a vibe and let Vmake do the rest.
Download the Vmake app or go to vmake.ai to start editing instantly.